Okay, in this video, I want to fix the zombies not being able to go through this barricade, as well as go ahead and test the rest of them out. So for this one, if we select the wall, it's because can ever affect navigation is true. So if we set it to false, we can see it now is a free travel straight across. So there's likely going to be some other issues that we have later down the road. It just kind of depends. My main concern would be something like, say the zombies are up here, but the players are over here. They might pick the shortest path to travel, which would be through here, here, and straight across. So we need to kind of, I guess, more or less maybe consider, I'm not 100% sure. I think there's like the concept of two nav meshes and that kind of stuff that we can use. Again, I just kind of more or less have to see. But anyhow, we have that. That should be good to go there. So let's go ahead. Hopefully we get one spawning, which we do. Let him go ahead and destroy the barricade. And he vaulted through just fine. Now they're going to World Origin to beat it up. That's interesting. All right, so let's go ahead. And the other one I want to have is going to be these two. So I'm actually going to duplicate that there. Let's change the linked barricade of this guy to this one, and the linked one of this guy to that one. And give this a try. Okay, we have two spawning, so one for that. Oh, that worked out pretty well. Make sure they both can vault. Well, that one can, and that one can, so those are good to go. So we have good positions there that we can use. Now we need some positions behind this wall. All right, so let's have, yeah, in our case, it would literally just be the one. So this one can choose that one or that one. So that one, or actually, I want to test just this one specifically. So hopefully he spawns, which he did. And I could not tell. Okay, so we have a similar issue here, it seems. So let's see, is it this? Shouldn't be, nope. So I'm wondering if it's just the skinniness of this area. So let's see, this one, yeah, you can go through that. Even though that is the same wall. If we move it, does it change? Yes, it does. Okay, so it's something about that. So let's check anything else in its way. No, unless it's the hole. It might be the hole. Let's move that. And as a test, yep, so it's the hole. Okay, so we need to, well, obviously fix that. Just move it in. There we go, that should be still in line. Nope, too far. There we go. Now that's back in position and it can move through. Okay, save that. Give it a try. Okay, those vault through just fine. Yeah, this is kind of what I'm talking about, how they just go right through. So that's those. Then we need some up here as well. And these might look a little bit janky. So we'll set this to that guy. Okay, so they vault through just fine. And let's move it over here. And I think that is the last of our barricades. Okay, so that works as well. All right, so we have our, let's see, we have that positioned. Now we just need to position these, which is on just the other side of the hill. So I have one there. Let's have another one on this side. So that'll be for those two. So let's target that and target that. Okay, so that's those two barricades. And let's see, do we have pathing to go up, which we do. So I would like to have one come from the side. So one, say, spawning about right here that just kind of walks up. So let's take this one, duplicate it over. Okay, and this is going to have a single barricade target to this one. And actually, let's do either or. So we have that one or, whoops. Yeah, let's just make it that one. Okay. Let's just duplicate just to give some variation as to where they come from. And there we go. All right. So now that we have all the pathing and stuff like that, we need to start working on the zones. And there actually is these that need to be gotten rid of. But basically the idea being we need to link the debris correctly. So currently we only have one debris, which is the main door. So we need to make all the ones using these utilize the corresponding, well, one. So this goes to, I think, this one, right? Now that goes to merge 7. This one goes to, we'll just make it that one, window 2. Okay, so these can simply, this one goes to that one. So this can have a link. Probably should figure out a way to maybe draw a debug line. That'd be pretty helpful. But this one needs a link barricade of the main door to activate the top room. And realistically, so does this one, and just the rest of the outskirts. So they just all need to have the main door as the linked barricade. So once we have the other debris that unlocks the top area, this one, those 4, and this one, well, and this right one, will have a will have to have their linked barricades updated to correspond to this new zone. But for the time being, everything is good to go there. So that is all I can think of. Let's just triple check one more time because we should only have these over here actually doing the spawning. So we have 1, 2, we have 3, 4. Okay, those are all right. That one should go to here. Nope, that's right. That's the upstairs. So we need this one as well to be at the main door. So that barricade. I completely forgot about it. All right, once more. And actually, we don't have a barricade going to here, so, or a spawn point going to here, so we need to correct that. Okay, so we have all those. We just need one more. So this has no debris requirement, and it goes on the barricade of barricade window 01. And there he spawned, and he's going to it. So we have that window, that window, that window, and I don't think I've seen that window yet. And naturally, as I say so, there they go. Okay. So every window seems to be taken care of. It all seems to be zone based for the most part. So the one thing I do want to check is activating that, then see what the odds are that another one spawns, which it seems to be. So those are active. So they're going to this barricade. This one's going to that one. That one should be going to that one. And this guy is going to that one. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So really the only thing that could be done to slightly benefit anything would be not having these be super floaty when they spawn. But even then, that's not really a big deal. I know this one has quite a gap. But yeah, that's everything. So I think we're in a good spot. I'm satisfied overall. There is that one issue that needs to be addressed at some point. So, well, technically two. The first one being a max, like full barricade. So if there's barricades that need to, or boards that need to be broken, and all the slots are claimed, then a zombie can't really claim that slot, like claim any slot, unless we have some sort of pool in the back, which is probably not a bad idea, just to have, you know, an excess single slot that's dedicated for like waiting. But that's just stuff to be, I guess, more or less considered. So yeah, that's going to be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.